The reason why the remote works when covered with paper is because of the paper will scatter the infrared.
But the IR will still pass through the paper, so the range over which the remote control works might decrease.
The second one is plastic. The reason the remote works when we cover it with the plastic is because the infrared light can pass through the plastic since it is clear.
The third object that we use to cover the remote is the towel.
The remote still works even if it is covered with towel because towel can bounce back the light from the TV remote control.
Infrared light of TV remote can go through the towel even if it's thick or thin because the towel doesn't contain any copper, aluminum, and steel that can block the light.
The fourth object that we use is the aluminum foil. The remote did not work when it is covered with the foil because 95% of the infrared light that hit aluminum surface are reflected rather than absorbed.
Very little conduction can occur since aluminum has such a poor mass-to-air ratio, especially when just 5% of the photons are absorbed. Because of this, the remote stopped operating when we wrapped it in aluminum foil. The metal foil prevents the infrared photons from passing through. Therefore, the light cannot pass.
Without any cover, the TV remote works. It is using a type of light called infrared. The remote has an LED light in it which flashes really quickly to emit a message which is then picked up by the TV.
The TV remote's one of the applications of the infrared. The remote is called the transmitter, while the TV is called the receiver.